Hi, it's Jeff Meyer from Landmark Properties. We're here in front of a just shy of an acre piece of property. It's a commercial zone. There's a current restaurant on there. It needs some work to bring it up to code, but it's ready to go. You can come in here, you got plenty of parking. It also has the littoral rights. So across the street, it's 150 feet wide of oceanfront property. You can put a deck out there. Just a cool spot. And it's also been approved for, it's a picture of kind of the Key West 3-story, 10-foot ceilings. It'd be a 10-unit condo complex with a pool and a cabana. So this has already been approved. It's already been through everything. So come in, you put your shovel in the ground, you're ready to go. The asking price for this entire building that's on here, or the set of plans ready to go build, is $1,350,000. So we'll go inside. We'll check that out. The property also, a couple other features here. It's right on A1A. This road here goes right to the golf course. We're 50 yards from a little 9-hole executive golf course. Just a great location. One of the best beaches in Flagler Beach. Very underutilized area, and I really think this is a good investment for the right person. Come on, we'll go inside. As you can see, this is about a 3,000 square foot building. It's got bathrooms, it's got plumbing, it's got everything in place. It's got the gas lines. It's a restaurant. Obviously, it needs some renovation, but you throw some money at this. For under 1.5 million on the ocean, with decks on the ocean, and this location, you can be up in business. We're surrounded by condos. There's 10 condos here locally. There's probably, in this little area here, there's probably 5,000 people that live within a walk. So it'd be a great spot, and right in the south side of Flagler Beach. So you'd get a ton of activity here, so whether it's the restaurant or whether it's the townhouse project. But give me a call if you have any questions. Jeff Meyer with Landmark Properties, 561-707-5939, and we'll include that down below. Thank you.